What's going on, Flexers? In this video, I'm going to show you how I made about $200 in about 20 minutes trading the S&P 500 to the downside. I did this via SPY puts, and as always, I'm going to show you what my entry was, why I entered, my thought process throughout the trade, where I was planning to exit, all that good stuff. So let's head on over to Thinkorswim, shall we? All right, so here we are over on Thinkorswim. We are looking at ticker symbols /ES. You guys know the drill. This is the S&P 500 futures. Now, what was I looking for this trade? As you can see here, we ended up making a previous low of day. And so once we ended up breaching down below this, coming up and retesting it, this is when I started considering opening a short position via puts at this point. Now, what I was looking for confirmation at the time was also Microsoft, which is a market leading equity, was also forming a similar pattern, right? We had a previous low day come up, fail to breach it, and start moving lower. On top of this, one more chart here. The VIX, you guys who follow my page closely and my stories closely know how I trade off of the VIX as well. The VIX was starting to scream to the upside, and when the VIX starts to scream to the upside, that means that the indices, mainly the S&P 500, is going to start coming down as well. So all of these things were factors that played into me getting into this short position. At the time, we had a demand zone down here at 3,660. This is where my target was, and yeah, as you can see here, we just ended up falling, and it was a pretty stress-free trade all the way down to the bottom down here at 3,660. I will be transparent, I did not hold all the way till here. My exit was right up here. I ended up setting a trailing stop loss and then got stopped out shortly after because I was feeling a little bit anxious. For those of you who know me, you know that I usually, I'm used to going long and stuff, so I'm still, easing into me taking shorts and stuff. I'm comfortable with shorts. I know how to short, obviously, but my bread and butter is usually to the upside. It's just what I'm more comfortable with. I don't know if that's like a psychological thing or not, but yeah, this trade worked out pretty well. In my opinion, this was an A+ setup, literally a textbook breach and retest and fail, continue, and then followed by continuation. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this up. It's a pretty simple one. Alright guys, that's the end of this recap. As always, like I say, trading is the most scalable business in the world. In this trade, I only made $200. Of course, it was only in 20 minutes, and of course it's good money, and I'm not complaining about it, but the thing is that it's scalable, right? The more size that I increase, the more profits that I'll be able to make, as long as I'm taking these high probability and highly thought out trades over time, right? So, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope that you found this helpful, and as always, follow for more trading and investing tips.